Welcome to day 35 practice mini project web scraper or data analysis project. Today we will be combining the skills we have learned in web scraping, data manipulation and visualization using Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Beautiful Soup and Matplotlib. On this day, the objective is to reinforce your understanding of data manipulation, web scraping, and working with key Python libraries. You will choose between two mini projects, web scraping or data analysis. Let's dive into these two exciting options. Project 1 is about creating a web scraper. You will be extracting structured data from a website using Beautiful Soup and the requests module. The goal is to clean and process the data, store it in a structured format, and optionally visualize it to gain insights. Let's explore the steps for this project. Here are the steps for creating your web scraper. First, choose a website with structured data such as an e-commerce site or a weather forecast. Scrape the data using the request library to fetch the web page and Beautiful Soup to parse the HTML content. Identify the HTML tags or classes that hold the relevant information and extract it. Clean and format the data using Pandas and NumPy. Save the cleaned data in a structured format like CSV or Excel. Optionally, you can visualize the data with Matplotlib, for example, by plotting trends in stock prices or weather patterns. Throughout this project, you will gain hands-on experience with web scraping using Beautiful Soup and requests. You will also practice cleaning and manipulating data using Pandas and NumPy. Additionally, you will learn how to store data in CSV or Excel format and visualize it using Matplotlib. Project 2 focuses on data analysis. In this project, you will analyze a dataset using Pandas and NumPy. You will clean and transform the data, perform exploratory data analysis, and visualize your findings. This project is great for anyone who enjoys working with data to uncover insights. Here are the following steps to follow data analysis. Choose a dataset from sources like Kaggle or data.gov. Load the dataset using Pandas and inspect its structure. Clean the data by handling missing values, removing duplicates, and filtering out irrelevant information. Transform the data by converting data types, parsing dates, or creating new columns as needed. Perform exploratory data analysis using descriptive statistics with Pandas and NumPy. Visualize the data using Matplotlib to uncover patterns, trends, and insights. Finally, summarize your findings and write a report detailing the insights you have gained from the data. With this project, you will gain experience in data loading and inspection with Pandas. You will also master data cleaning and transformation techniques. Additionally, you will perform exploratory data analysis using Pandas and NumPy and visualize your findings with Matplotlib. To help you complete the projects, here are some useful resources. Beautiful Soup documentation for web scraping, Pandas documentation for data manipulation, NumPy documentation for numerical computations, Matplotlib documentation for creating plots and visualizations, Kaggle datasets where you can find open datasets to analyze. By the end of this mini project, you will have practical experience in either web scraping or data analysis. You will learn how to clean, transform, and visualize data, and you will create a useful project that you can showcase in your portfolio. Good luck with your project and enjoy the learning process.